Well, today we're trying to capture pictures and video of the black bears that live on this ranch. To get those pictures, we're working with camera traps. So our mission today is to get out to our camera trap sites, change the batteries and cards, make sure everything is working. Watch out for gators.
Seriously. This is exactly where I expected to find Carlton. Swampy, buggy, muddy. He's sloshed through some of Florida's most extreme environments.
I think I always had that sense of wonder and curiosity that made me want to look out beyond the horizon and try to do something different. First job as a photographer, I went on 6 different expeditions. I published my first book, my first Smithsonian magazine cover. But every time I got on an airplane and left Florida, I came home and there's a new subdivision on what used to be a cattle ranch or open land. I'm trying to export a conservation ethic to country halfway across the world, but I didn't see enough storytelling focused on these kind of stories at home in Florida.
2 cameras, you can see what they're pointing at. We have a pine tree in the middle of this glade, polished down from bears scratching their backs on that tree.
Oh my gosh, that is incredible. I mean, wow.
The light that just flashed when you move in here, it's telling the cameras to start recording, to start taking pictures.
Okay.
So right now, it's shooting away silent 45 megapixel photos on that system and silent 4K video on the other.
Wow.
So I'm kind of eager to go see what we might have.
Let's go. I can tell.
Oh, whoa, who's this? Who's this?
Oh, wow. Look at this big male black bear dancing on that pine tree. He's doing the bear dance. He's got his back and his head rubbing up against it. Look at the hips swinging back and forth.
Is he biting it? Is that what he's doing at the top?
No, he's just, he's got his hand like gripped around behind the tree.
Oh my gosh.
This is their social media. He's dropping that pin and saying, I was here.
A camera trap is a portal into a hidden world. And it reveals moments in these animals' lives that we're never gonna see without it.
This is a video, and we just hope this system was up and running.
Is that the male?
That's the big
That's the male
male.
around
That's
the
a
pole?
big male.
Oh.
Look at him.
Oh my gosh. Look at him, he's all over it.